As the cases go down, restrictions have been further eased in the national capital. After a stringent 2-month lockdown, new unlock guidelines have come into force from today. Markets and malls are allowed to reopen in an odd-even basis from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Standalone shops are going to remain open on all days. Delhi's Lifeline Metro has resumed services with a seating capacity of 50%. Private offices have also been allowed to function with 50% manpower. Last week, the government allowed factories to reopen and construction activities to resume following a dip in cases and positivity rate in the city.
दिल्ली पुलिस के कमिश्नर एसएन श्रीवास्तव हैं। सबसे पहला सवाल सर, ये अनलॉक शुरू हो चुका है, दिल्ली पुलिस कितनी तैयार है, किस तरह से तैयारी है?
दिल्ली पुलिस बिल्कुल तैयार है। सर्वप्रथम मैं ये कहूँगा कि जो अनलॉक हुई है, हमें ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि ये बीमारी जो है ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, कम हुई है, ख़त्म नहीं हुई है। तो सभी से यही कहना है कि जो सावधानी होनी चाहिए, मास्क पहनने का और आपस में दूरियां बना के रखने का, वो चलते रहना चाहिए। जो 1 महीना पहले या 20 दिन पहले जो स्थिति थी, वो दोबारा नहीं आनी चाहिए।
Delhi Metro services has been resumed after almost 1.5 month break due to the lockdown and the COVID second wave. But now, as the services is resuming, I can show you the pictures from Rajiv Chowk Metro Station that how hundreds of people are waiting for their turn to board the Delhi Metro. Metro is also coming on the track, and hence life is also back on the track. So now people are more relaxed. They are going to their offices, and even the work will resume from today. Hence, when the service of Metro is also resuming, it is a double benefit for these commuters. With camera person Pradeep Gupta, it's Kumar Kunal for India Today from Rajiv Chowk Metro Station, Delhi.
Meanwhile, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced that all above the age of 45 will be vaccinated in the national capital within 4 weeks. Listen in.
आज से दिल्ली में एक स्पेशल अभियान शुरू किया जा रहा है, जिसका नाम है जहां वोट वहां वैक्सीनेशन। अगर वैक्सीन की कमी नहीं हुई तो इस अभियान के तहत 4 हफ्तों में 45 साल से ऊपर की उम्र के हर व्यक्ति को दिल्ली में वैक्सीन लगा दी जाएगी। तो इस अभियान के तहत हम लोगों के घर घर जाएंगे। क्या है ये अभियान? इस अभियान के तहत हम लोगों को जाके कहेंगे कि जहां आप वोट डालने जाते हो, सबको पता है कि हम कहां जाते हैं वोट डालने, सबको पता है मेरा पोलिंग सेंटर कहां है। जहां आप वोट डालने जाते हो, आप वहीं पे जाइए, आपके वैक्सीनेशन का वहाँ पे हमने इंतजाम किया हुआ है।
Let's get you the Delhi Metro unlock plan now. 50% seating capacity is allowed. Passengers on alternate seats. No standing travel. And the train frequency is 5 to 15 minutes. It's also going to be, there you go, passengers in alternate seats. Passengers are going to be sitting on, also you have to leave one and then be seated on the other. You can't just sit next to each other. No standing travel, as I mentioned earlier as well. You cannot be standing. You have to be seated if you're traveling by the Delhi Metro here in the national capital. And between 5 to 15 minutes, there will be a train frequency for all the commuters. It's going to be a full operation that will begin, but from Wednesday. There will be masks that are mandatory. There will be temperature that is going to be checked. Social distancing will have to be observed if you're traveling by the metro. Cutting straight across to an exclusive interview with the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal by my colleague Ankit Tyagi. Take a look.